Hey traders, just wanted to give a quick update on XRP to BTC, and this is specifically because the overwhelming demand that I get this requested on stream, it's kind of crazy, but just doing a quick video on it would maybe, relieve those needs for the analysis, the incessant analysis of it on the live stream. So here we are. XRP fell below the 618 retrace from X to C. All right, that was up here. That was right around the 200 moving average, and we had all this bullish divergence. Man, it was so nice. It was so promising, but we just continued selling off it, but barely. This is the daily time scale, and this type of bleeding is very methodical. Seems so controlled, so manipulated, and it looks like where we're headed is, if you look left, there's all this chop and support from April of 2018. All right, so about a year ago, we're looking for that support again. It makes sense. The kind of scary thing is we are now getting a daily death cross on XRP to BTC. Never really good to see daily death crosses because those are very significant, and that's really what everyone's looking at. And where I expect us to go is that area. And the reason why is because these cipher patterns, you're looking for exactly a 78% retrace, 78.6% retrace to take your entry. All right, that's textbook. Now up here, we use just a little critical thinking with all the daily bullish divergence we were seeing. And at the time we were showing bullish divergence in the RSI, we thought 618 might be worth a stab, but it seems that that is not the case at all, because just the methodical selling. I mean, every day it's just like no activity, just slowly making lower lows. All right, so I feel like at any time this thing could just pop to the upside based on this, because it looks like you've got a falling wedge pattern too, which is very bullish. Okay, especially just remember the context of everything, right? We're in this downsloping channel for what, 7, 8, 9 months, and then we broke out from the rising wedge pattern. I mean, from September to December, we were bullish, right? And we're finally selling off, but the selling has just been incessant from our previous swing low. Okay, so that's harmonics, all right? History repeating itself, geometry, predictable patterns, all right? So we're looking for that entry, and really there's a zone of entry because you have a 78% retrace, and you also have a 1618 retrace coming up from B to C, the fib extension. That's this number right here. So 1618 is right here. And what we did last night, it's not going to let me get it perfect. What we did last night, we just talked about a zone of entry, your optimum zone of entry. So between the 1618 and the 786 different anchor points, X to C or B to C, you're looking right there. This is the zone. And then a stop could be, pretty deep if you wanted it to be. I know you got that one wick right there, but just make sure if one wanted to take a position on this, they would have their stop definitely below that April 9th low. Okay, April 9th of 2018. Okay, so if that was the zone of entry, we would fib for our targets, the high point to low point, right? That's because that's where the swing low would be, idealistically. And then we'd be looking for a 382 at 84 sats. That's the first target. Second target would be 93.46 sats. And the third target would be up at the 100% retrace. You can go the 886 if you want to, but, just going with Casey Stubbs, going by the textbook, their target would be 10,741. All right, so 3 targets on potential trade setup on XRP to BTC. We just had to patiently be waiting. We're trying to be cute with our divergence on the daily. You can't blame somebody for using coinciding variables at a 618 retrace, mind you, X to C, 60% retrace. That's a golden zone, man. So whatever, man. Minimal losses. You just wait for the next entry, the real entry, it seems, in this zone. Again, between 7,089 and 7,300. Okay. So also XRP news, Arrington XRP Capital reaches funding target of 100 million and acquired Bite Size. There's your real news, but this is a technical analysis news show, right? So don't be like freaked out by the title. But look, if you enjoyed this analysis, this quick update, this potential, very large potential inverse head and shoulders, this could be the right shoulder. Please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Leave a comment below if you liked it, and please hit that subscribe button in the bottom right of your screen. You can see it right there. So I'll be live in a little bit. Until next time, respect the TA.